Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we would like to talk about break of structure, BOS. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check my educational video about structure. And in this video, we'll talk about the break of structure. So it's a BOS, like this one. I already post the video about a structure and mark how to work with the structures, and the key point of that work, it's the time frames. So if you work, for example, on 1 hour time frame, you have to work with the break of structure on 1 hour time frame, because it will be valid. If you work on 1 hour time frame and open some position on one hour time frame, long, it can be the still downtrend structure on 4 hour time frame. That's why, guys, work with the correct time frames and work with correct zones. So how the break of structure looks like, everything pretty simple. For example, we got a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And for example, we pump it like this one, lower high, lower low, drop, lower low. And this one is going to be the break of structure, because this is the last impulse which give us the last lower high, which give us the last lower low. And for example, we start form something like this one. So this moment here, when we hit the higher point than this last impulse, will be the break of structure. I will show you an example. It can be the impulsive move, or it can be like this chop, bomb, and after that, we can confirm this is a break of structure, and we have to pay attention for the volume. I will show you an example. It's just a visualization. To open position and where to add a stop loss, I will also explain you in this video. So take a look. This is a visualization of break of structure, and we can drop to correction or without a correction. For example, we stop it like this one and go higher. So in this case, this is a break of structure. We can mark BOS like this one. It was a moment lower high, lower low. And after that, we break the last lower high and form the higher high, local one. So it's going to be higher high. And this one, after correction, this will be the high lows. And we build another structure, right? So we shift the structure. It's for the long. If we talk about this one, downtrend, absolutely the same way, but in opposite, right? So this is a visualization of break of structure. First one, we have to see the structure. A global one, a local one, for example, this is a daily one. I will show it on the daily one. In the range, I'm not recommend you to work with the BOS, break of structure, because in the range, we will see a lot of some fake BOSes, right? Because in range, we just work like a chop. We hunt liquidity without the trend. So break of structure, you can use like a trend instrument, not in the range. So you have to pay attention for the structure. For example, what do we can see here? Here's a high. This is a low. Lower high, so because this high is lower than this one. Higher low, because this one higher than this one. Lower high, because still lower than this one. And lower low. Yes, it's like a range, but this high give us the last impulse, and we start build a kind of local uptrend. And this moment was the break of structure, and it's the daily time frame. Take a look. We break of the structure, form the higher high, and retest this structure. Form another one and retest. So this is it. You have to pay attention for the time frames, structure, time frames, last swing. So this is a last swing, last impulse down, which form the last support and break. So where to fix a profit? Fix a profit, you have to add some for example, this is a sol, at first trouble area or favorable gap. So here, it's a break of structure. You could fix a profit here. some profit here. Stop loss you add usually at a last impulse, this one, you know, and we can right to the top. You can open position on the break of structure, you know, with retest or without retest. It's only up to you. There's no rules, you know. Everybody trade if it's comfortable for you, because everybody got to own risk, right? And you can find out just millions of videos about break of structure. But if we simplified, you have to know just a basic structure in an uptrend. You have to pay attention for the time frames. So on this time frame, daily one, this is a last BOS, drop, break. Most likely here was a volume. Here's a nothing, and here's a volume, this one. So this volume is the bigger one than all these previous days. Here was another impulse. So we break the structure. From the break of structure, we got like 36%. So with even the 10x leverage, it's 360%. So it's a big deal, guys. And after that, we form the new high, drop, form the new low, and this will be the BOS break of structure for the downtrend. Form the new high, and it looks like we have to go in higher in the uptrend, but we break the structure downtrend. The same way you can open the short position, for example, like this one. And it was a good entry, like 44%, 40% down. So that's it, guys. And don't need to build a so crazy, complicated explanation about break of structure. Break of structure is just a time when we just shift the trend. It can be a local one, 1 hour time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, even a 3 minute time frame. So it's only up to you. Smaller time frame, you will see the faster change of the trends intraday. So on the daily, it's not so often. This is a simple visualization of break of structure. This is example. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment if you get any questions for break of structure. Maybe I will post some tips how to work, how to identify more clearly that break of structures, you know, but time to fix profit is favorable gap or first trouble area. And this was the first trouble area, previous high and previous all-time high. So it was a logical exit point, right? And this is support. It's definitely some of order block on a weekly, or here was a drop to the order block on a monthly. So this January 24 block, it was a order block on a monthly. How to work with order blocks, I already also posted the video. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.